Welcome to the online classes of Sant Kripal School. Today we are learning about quadrilaterals, different types of quadrilaterals. How good are you at geometry? Try to match the columns here. In first figure, not a simple curve. Second figure is simple curve that is not closed. Third figure, a simple closed curve. And fourth figure, a closed curve that is not simple. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called a polygon. These are polygons. These are not polygons. Why not? This figure is not simple. This figure is also not simple. This figure is not closed. We classify polygons according to the number of sides or vertices that they have. The figure of three sides is known as triangle. The polygon having four sides is known as quadrilateral. The polygon which have five sides is known as pentagon. The polygon which has six sides is known as hexagon. A polygon having seven sides is known as heptagon. A polygon having eight sides is known as octagon. A polygon having nine sides is known as nonagon. And the polygon having 10 sides is known as decagon. What is a diagonal of a polygon? It is a line segment that connects two non-consecutive vertices. In this polygon, is this a diagonal? No. In this polygon, is this a diagonal? Yes. In this polygon, are there more diagonals? Yes. What is the interior of a polygon? It is the part that lies on the inside of the polygon. In this polygon, this is the interior. In this polygon, this is the interior. In this polygon, this is the interior. What is the exterior of a polygon? It is the part that lies outside the polygon. In this polygon, this is the exterior. In this polygon, this is the exterior. In this polygon, this is the exterior. Compare these two polygons. What is different of them? Now can you see what the difference is? In the first polygon, the diagonal lies entirely in the interior of the polygon. We call this a convex polygon. In the second polygon, the diagonal passes through the exterior of the polygon. We call this a concave polygon. Let's check this for another polygon too. In a convex polygon, the diagonal lies entirely in the interior of the polygon. In a concave polygon, the diagonal passes through the exterior of the polygon. Can you spot concave and convex polygon now? This is convex polygon, and this is concave polygon. This is convex polygon, and this is concave polygon. Look at these polygons. What is different about them? Check the length of the sides of each polygon. In the first polygon, all the sides and all the angles are equal. We call this a regular polygon. In the second polygon, all the sides and all the angles are not equal. We call this an irregular polygon. Look at these polygons. What is different about them? Check the length of the sides and angles of each polygon. A polygon in which all the sides and all the angles are equal is called a regular polygon. If all sides and angles of a polygon are not equal, then it is called an irregular polygon. Did you understand the following concepts? Convex and concave polygon. Yes. Regular and irregular polygon. Yes. Well done.